Alright, so this video is about multiplying fractions, and the good news is that multiplying fractions is a lot easier than adding or subtracting fractions. Basically, when you multiply a fraction, when you multiply fractions, multiply the numerators and then the denominators. Okay, and let's give an example of that. So if I have 1/2 times, let's do 1/2 times 1/4. Okay, so what's 1 times 1? 1. 2 times 4 is 8, and that's it. Okay, so it's really exactly that simple. So this is just 1 times 1, and this is just 2 times 4. Okay, and I chose one that kind of straightforward so that we could actually look at it. Okay, so let's say I had a fourth of something. Okay, so I had one of these circles. Okay, well, when you take a half of something, what do? Well, you divide it in a half, right? Okay, so if I want half of a fourth, okay, then all I want is 1/2, right? 1/2 of that 1/4, and then how much is that right there? That is 1 out of 8. Okay, so just have a little proof there for you that 1/2 times 1/4 really is 1/8. Okay. But you can do it with larger fractions. You know, we can do 3/4 times 5/6. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, forget that, I just did 3 times 5. Okay, and then 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, 4 times 6. Okay, and then the only thing really that you have to remember, don't forget to simplify. Okay, because a lot of times after you've multiplied some fractions, you get numbers that absolutely can be simplified. So remember, when you simplify, okay, you are looking for a number that both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by. Well, 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 2 plus 4 is 6, so these digits both add up to a number divisible by 3. So I think both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. And there is nothing that both 5 and 8 can be divided by. Aside from anything else, 5 is prime, so you know that it can only be divided by itself, or 1, and 8 is not a multiple of 5, so there you go. 15 24ths equals 5/8. And that is how you multiply fractions.